everyone is talking about Docker, Kubernetes and OpenShift. And yes, those are the hot topics in the city now. My name is Gineesh and welcome to techbeatly. As we know, OpenShift is the #1 enterprise Kubernetes platform available in market now. And OpenShift knowledge is one of the demanding skills for an engineer in DevOps track. But like any other complex platform, OpenShift is built on several components and setting up a cluster is a bit difficult, especially for those without infrastructure knowledge. So what if I need to learn OpenShift and test its functionalities? Before we proceed, if you think our videos are useful, please remember to subscribe this YouTube channel and enable notification as needed. Thanks to Red Hat and Katakoda platform. Red Hat Interactive Learning Portal is available for you with no cost. Yes, it's free. What is this Katakoda? Katakoda is a platform for creating real-life lab environments where trainers and vendors create beautiful lab environments and publish it for end users. So users can simply access it from your browser and test their knowledge. Yes, you do not need to set up anything on your laptop or workstation. You can access those labs from the browser window itself. Okay, let us come back to the OpenShift lab topic. To access the labs, you just need to visit openshift.katakoda.com. Now you can choose any section of the course. So now we are inside openshift.katakoda.com. So you can see there are different courses. So let's say you want to try the OpenShift, so there are some basic courses like using OpenShift, Linux container fundamentals, developing on OpenShift, etc. And if you want something more advanced level, you can try with developing with Eclipse Vertex or developing with Cogito, CI/CD, etc. Let's say for this demo, I want to try service mesh inside OpenShift. So I just need to find the course. So you can see the istio here. So we will start the course as and you can see the different labs inside. So there are some labs called istio introduction, deploy microservices, monitoring and tracing. Yeah, there are different labs for that one, and you will know how to use istio inside OpenShift. So each course got different labs and you can try all of them on your browser itself. So for this one we will try istio introduction. So I will click on start scenario. Okay, so this is the lab interface. As I told earlier, you do not need to install anything on your workstation. Everything will be available on your browser window itself, including the console and the instruction set. So you just need to click on start scenario. So on the left side you can see the instructions called what is a service mesh and why you need it. Then also the instruction to do the lab, like what are the commands you need to run, etc. So in this demo we can see on the left side they have mentioned they have already given the details of service mesh, and if you click continue it will give you some basic idea about istio. So you will learn istio and also you can practice istio with the basic commands. So I will continue again. Then here goes the actual commands to run. If you check, actually there is an option to run command directly. You don't need to type the commands and execute. You can just directly click on this arrow, the small arrow one. But I recommend to try the commands manually, because if you just click means you will not understand what are the commands executed. So either you can use you can directly type on the window like OZ login, then use system admin. Okay, let's say some of the commands you don't want to try all the commands by yourself. You can just copy paste, or you can just do the run command button. So I will click on here, so it will run the same command on the window. So this is how we use the labs inside the browser. So everything is inside the browser, so that you can follow other instructions of as per the lab, and yeah, just complete the lab, so you will understand how istio is working. Let's say I don't want to continue and I want to try another one. Just go back, yes, leave it. Okay, you can try another one, or you can try another lab from the home page, like CI/CD or anything. So CI/CD also got multiple labs, so it will show you the introduction, then you can, it will, there is another lab for multi-cluster. So this one will change because they are adding more labs, maybe they are updating labs, etc. And as you see, everything is free and you can do everything inside your browser window itself. Okay, so you will learn with the instructions, and also you will learn the commands to execute, and you can practice anything in the lab environment. So let's say here this lab is for setting up multi-cluster DevOps with OpenShift, but you can try other commands. Let's say you want to test some commands, you can directly try these commands on this console window. Okay, yeah, that's it. And yeah, just use it. And there are few other courses from Katakoda. You can go to the Katakoda website and see what are the courses available. So let's say if you check Katakoda, there are so many other courses and free labs available. Just try all of those. Yep, that's all. So what are you waiting for? Visit openshift.katakoda.com right now and get your hands dirty. And I have mentioned all the links and details in the description given below. And that's it for today's video. Again, if you think our videos are useful, please remember to subscribe this YouTube channel. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another video. Thank you.